Welcome to this session. I'm Sanjeev Chaudhary from Knowledgework Solutions, and I will introduce you to our product, Visual Hospital Manager. We also call it VHM. I will use this term during this session. Visual Hospital Manager is an end-to-end solution for hospital and clinic needs. Right from the beginning of its design, we had doctors handholding us how to best design the medical practice management software. That has resulted in the product that fulfills all their needs in the most practical way. This session is for the product's introduction. We will continue with more such sessions where product functionality will be detailed out. Let's get started with this session. Let's talk a bit about why we feel that you can safely choose VHM for computerizing your medical practice. Now, if I go back to the product planning days of VHM, we had a few design considerations in mind, which I would like to share with you. Start with, the first one was keep it simple. No extras or unnecessary features in the product. Next, make it extremely easy to use for the end user. This resulted in our very popular single form for all activities interface. We will talk about it more in our further product detailing sessions. Next one was make it modular. So doctors can choose what they need and pay only for that, no extra costs. Keep data highly secure. We protected the data with logs and kept it on your local machine rather than somewhere on the cloud where nobody knows where. After all, we all know that patient data is extremely confidential, not only in India, across the entire world. Then make the application self-sustainable. We built self-troubleshooters in the product that would self-repair it. So you don't have to really depend on us to solve the issues in the application. Make it fully customizable, a very important consideration. We built customization right into the product. So doctor himself or herself can change, for example, clinical symptoms in the EMR forms, or change the look and feel of MIS reports, or decide which user can access which data or not. We are not aware of any other software that offers such a level of customization. Visual Hospital Manager is a definite win for you here. The next consideration was to provide multilingual support wherever necessary. We are proud to say that VHM supports medicine prescriptions in 9 languages. It also offers a reusable prescriptions library to make prescribing medicines a matter of seconds. This is really going to improvise the experience that patient will have at your clinic or hospital. Then help doctors in making informed decisions with data analysis. VHM has built-in query builder, which you can use to query on your patient's data in any manner. Whether your purpose is research or to understand if your past investment in some equipment has paid off or not. Such data-backed analysis helps doctors take right operative or investment decisions even before the decision is done or the money is spent. Keep total cost of ownership low for the clinic or the hospital. VHM comes with pay once, use lifetime policy. When you pay once, you get a lifetime license for the product. There is no hidden cost or monthly or yearly subscriptions that you need. Our products are known to work for decades, and that makes the total cost of ownership for VHM almost negligible for you. Of course, as more and more doctors use the product, we learned and improved our considerations even further. No wonder all this has led to a product that is simple, easy to use, secure, and fully customizable by the doctor himself or herself. That is what makes this product a successful investment for any clinic or hospital, and this investment is bound to run for a long time. To make it even simpler for you, we offer a free trial of the product before you can decide whether to buy it or not. Then let's look at Visual Hospital Manager versions. It comes in 3 versions. First is OPD version. As you can see on the screen, the main functionalities in this version include patient registration management, documenting electronic medical records, visiting doctors or consultants accounting, OPD services that are offered to the patients, and all these coming into the billing and receipts of the patient. This OPD version ensures that all the administrative and patient-related workflows of a OPD clinic are computerized successfully. Next, for daycare or small hospitals, we have added inpatient services, inventory management functionality, and support for diagnostic centers or investigation services. With this, you can computerize these functions and add all related charges automatically to the patient's bill. Then for the hospitals who need, we have further added operations and wards management. With this addition, doctors can document operation notes in a very easy manner. The admission counter can allocate beds or transfer patients from one bed to another very easily. This full hospital version computerizes most of the operational areas of a hospital. What you see on the screen is our iconic single form for all activities interface that makes users' life very easy. As you can see, all the patient-related activities happen in this form, and the same form runs on all operational points like reception, admission counter, billing counter, on doctors' computers, etc. It makes training your staff also very easy. Talking about product coverage, we are always ready to enhance our product in case you have any specific needs. So we have got you covered there. Now here is a list of operational points of a hospital that VHM computerizes. For example, you can computerize activities at reception counter, doctor's cabins, wards, operation theaters, cash counters, OPD and indoor billing, inventory stores, accounts and billing, and also support diagnostic activities in pathology lab, X-ray and USG clinics, CT scan, MRI centers, and so on. As I mentioned earlier, we will continue with further sessions in this Visual Hospital Manager series. These next sessions will be, for example, setting up VHM for the first time. So how do you set up VHM, whether you buy it or you are trying it out? So we would basically provide you an installer using which you can set it up, and this session will explain how you configure it for use. It's extremely easy. Then another session on how do you register new patients, how do you register follow-up visits, what happens during all the registration process, that we will cover up. Then how do you document patient health records, electronic medical records, prescriptions, and all other clinical documentation like case paper, discharge cards. Then all the services that are offered to the patient during OPD visit or during indoor admission, and then billing thereof, as well as advance payments, receipts, and balance due management. Then MIS reports that are required by the clinic and hospital, a separate session on that. And then we have another session on customization and security features, which is very important when it comes to the utility value of the product and security of your data. This has been a very quick introduction to the product. Let's meet out in our next session, and next sessions will be elaborative, where we will walk through the actual product demonstration. I sincerely thank you for your time to watch this session. You can reach out to us at knowledgework.solutions@outlook.com or call WhatsApp us at 930-7985-448. We look forward to connecting with you sooner than later. Thanks once again, and bye for now.